know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Alpha Day Trading. If this is your first time inside the Alpha Day Trading community, please take a moment to actually leave us a message inside a chat. Myself, other mentors, leaders, and other members inside the community would actually like to take a second to welcome you to the team. Yes, this is a pre-recorded video, so no, I do not wear the same polo every single day. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. You'll never know. And again, I just wanted to take a moment to welcome you to the team if you are new. And if you ever have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to let us know. That's what we're here for. Now, if you guys ever notice any issues whatsoever with the community, simply refresh your browser and that will fix almost every issue. If you notice any issues with the stream quality, scroll down to the lower right-hand side of the stream, click the settings icon and actually set it from auto to 720 or to 1080p, and that will permanently set your quality so you'll never have any issues with the live stream. Now, if you still have any issues and you've refreshed your browser and you've already changed the quality, scroll down to the bottom of the chat room page, click one-on-one support, and actually send us a ticket, and we will be able to reach out to you immediately to get everything fixed. It is our main priority to make sure you guys always have the best experience while you guys are inside a chat. So once again, my name is Josh Howerton. Welcome back to Alpha Day Trading, and if you're brand new, welcome. Day one, baby. Welcome to the Alpha Day Trading community. We're so happy to have you a part of the team. We cannot wait to work with you. And if you ever need anything whatsoever, never hesitate to reach out. We are always here to help. Let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and dive on into it. Let me unmute myself and then let's say a big old good morning, traders. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What is going on? And happy Wednesday. Guys, you already know, Wednesday is my favorite day of the week. Why is that? Whoever can guess why Wednesday is my favorite day of the week, I'm going to give you something away for free. I'm feeling good today. I'm feeling grateful. I want to give something away for free. So why is Wednesday my favorite day of the week? And if you guys get it right, I'm going to give you something for free. So on YouTube, what is it? In chat, what is it? I was born there. No, I was not born on a Wednesday. Actually, I don't know. I don't know. Profitable. Close. Close, guys. For those of you that have just now tuning in, you will not know. You will just not even know. For those of you that have been following me for a while, on Wednesdays, I do this every single Wednesday. And it's why I love Wednesdays. Nobody. Lesson, not a lesson. We do lessons every day, guys. Because it's because I can do this. Good morning, team. Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day. That's why I like Wednesdays, because I'm allowed to just scream hump day. It's stupid, it's silly, guys, but I like Wednesdays because I get to come on here and say good morning and happy hump day. So guys, really stupid. There we go, hump day. There we go, after I say it. So guys, again, good morning and happy Wednesday. It is May 26th. We have 3 trading days to go until the end of the month is done. Guys, I'm ready for May to be over. All right, I'm definitely ready for May to be over, just like I was ready for April to be over. If you guys are just now tuning in, if you guys are new to chat, I actually posted up exactly what's been going on the month of May. You know, what's happened the last couple of days. Again, as a mentor, as a leader, someone that wants you guys to learn to be consistent, successful traders. Not only are you going to learn from my successes, you guys are going to learn from my failures as well. A great trading mentor will show you their losses. A great trading mentor will show you their weaknesses and their failures. We're all human, guys. We all make mistakes. And I know some of the best trading mentors out there and the best of the best leaders
make mistakes, and they are credible, they are honest, they are 100% transparent when it comes to sharing that with their team, with their community. And that's how you guys learn. Again, not just from the great trades, the great days, big profits, right? Those successes, but from the losing days as well. Reviewing trades. What went wrong with those trades? How was our mindset that day? Were we dealing with anything external, right? Emotional things, right? What was our state of mind? How do we deal with these losses? Maybe big losses. How do we actually handle these as professional traders? So again, these are all things that are extremely important, not just me teaching you guys technical analysis, chart setups, chart patterns, right? Risk management. But if you find yourself in a losing trade, how to deal with that mentally, emotionally, how to properly and professionally deal with that, guys. So again, guys are just now tuning in. This week has been a crazy week. Wes, you could have given me the free membership versus losing $20,000 in 2 days. Yes, guys, that is correct. So as you know, last Thursday, I said it's time. I'm ready to get the 250 a year. I'm scaling size. Thursday was a break-even day. Friday was a really nice profitable day, up $2,000. That's exactly the types of days that I need to see to hit my $250,000 a year goal. So this week on Monday, profitable day, right? Oh no, losing day. I lost 20K, guys. So what did I do? I actually went ahead and opened up my long-term account, right? My long-term account. I am completely invested in everything. But it is a 4-to-1 margin account. So technically I have leverage and I have buying power. So I actually opened that account up because I have a larger account with higher margin and leverage to where I can take on more aggressive sides. So what did I do? I lost hold on. Let's back up. I lost $12,000. So what did I have to do? I had to go ahead and deposit $12,000 into my account, right? So I went ahead and pulled money out of my pocket, out of my bank account, and sent it on over to make it right. So again, I will not be trading that account, all right? I will not be trading that kind of leverage, that kind of margin. I lost $12,000. What was that realization? I'm trying very, very hard, and I'm extremely motivated, and I'm extremely just hyped up to get to the next level of my trading career. I tell you, 3 years ago, guys, I was a 500 share trader. I was making $200 to $300 a day. I wanted to level up. I wanted to start seeing $10,000 months from $5,000 months. So what did I do? I slowly increased into my size, 1,000 to 2,000 shares. So I average over the last couple of years, roughly $10,000 per month on average. How am I going to get to 250? I need to scale up again. So that's what I've been doing. As of Thursday, aggressive sizing, break-even day. Big swings, down 7K, back to break even. Friday, $2,000 profit. Feeling really good. We have a lot of great action in the market Friday. So I come in the market Monday, right? Money freaking Monday. I'm hyped up, guys. Friday was a hot day. I'm very optimistic. I'm very motivated to have another rock and roll kind of day, just to absolutely crush it. I ended up losing $12,000, guys. So I went ahead and refunded that. That's done, right? I still want to scale size, but not as aggressive. So I'm back on my normal account. I'm still trading aggressive size yesterday. Guys, I just simply came to the realization that I am not ready mentally to get to the next level of my trading career. And that's okay, guys. We all have mental barriers. You cannot compare yourself to anybody else, right? If you're a consistent $200 a day trader and you're envious because someone's a $1,000 a day trader, do not immediately just start 10xing your size if you're not ready. So that was my learning lesson. That was my realization is I am simply not ready to go from 2,000 to 3,000 shares to 6, 7, 8, 10,000 shares on these big time movers. Now, yes, I did have a 10,000 share position this morning on NBRV, but my stop was 5 cents. I'm talking 10,000 share positions when I need to let the stock breathe 50 cents. That's $5,000. So again, do not compare where you're at to anybody else. You are your own person. You will progress based on your personality, based on your mindset, based on a lot of these variables. Again, there's a lot of these variables. Again, you cannot compare where you're at to me, and I cannot compare where I'm at to, say, Matt as the $1 million a year trader. I am not there yet. So sometimes, guys, you have to take a step back before you can take your next step forward. So with that being said, I have tried to slowly scale into size, to see those bigger green days, to see that $250,000 per year in profit. But simply, I'm not ready. So taking a step back, readjusting, resetting back to what I do best, locking in $500 a day consistent profits. And I will slowly increase my size little by little again until I eventually break through that mental barrier and see great consistent $1,000, $2,000 a day profits. That's it, guys. That's it. We can't force it. You can't be the dead horse and just, I hope I'm right this time. I hope I'm right. Sometimes, guys, you got to take the step back. So again, I wanted to share that with you as a mentor, as a leader, someone that wants you guys to be successful. Not only do you guys learn from my successes, but from my failures as well. So if you take anything from this before we dive into our pre-market commentary session and review these stocks, if you take anything away from this, it's do not compare yourself to anybody else. Move at your own pace. And sometimes just realize maybe you're not ready. You need to take that step back and try again, slowly scaling in the size. Okay, guys? So that's what I'm doing. I'm really hungry. I'm really motivated. I want to get to that goal. I want to get to my $250 or $1,000 a year goal. But if it takes 3 more years for that to happen, that's fine, because guess what? I'm still locking in $100K a year. Doing what I love. Working inside of the best trading chat room in the world with the best group of traders I've ever worked with. And I'm still locking in great profits, guys. So that being said, let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and dive into what we have going on today. So, number 1, as we can see, NBRV. This is number 3 on the leaderboard. All right, we're currently up 50% here in pre-market. We have great volume being traded. 11.4 million shares. The average daily volume on this play is 2. So we're trading about 6x volume. That's great volume. Why is it moving up on aggressive volume? All right. Well, we have great news as well. So we have positive phase 3 results, right? So anytime we see phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 trials meeting primary endpoints, those are really, really good press releases for these penny stocks. So when I come in this morning at 7 a.m., I notice NBRV, positive phase 3 trials. I notice we have a 30 million in float stock, so it's an actually pretty low stock as far as the float. We had at that point in time 3x relative volume. So that's why I'm taking this trade, because I notice at this point in time, we have a textbook downtrend break setup. Now, what's a textbook downtrend break setup? It's when we're coming off this downtrend resistance, we finally establish a higher low with increased volume into a break. So I see the bounce. I see the pushback up into the downtrend, grinding, higher low. These 2 candles on increased volume. I'm like, you know what? This is a good setup. This is a setup that I would take again if I saw it right now at this point in time. So I'm slowly getting in. I'm slowly getting in with my stop losses very tight right below this prior low, $2.13, $2.12. So I'm in 10,000 shares, $2.20, looking for the break and looking for that move up into the 232, the 233. So I know coming into this trade, I have 10 to 13 cents of upside potential. I'm risking 5 to 7 cents. That is a solid 2-to-1 setup. We have a solid 80-20 setup as well. I love these downtrend break setups, guys. These are some of the highest reward setups with the least amount of risk based on where you're placing those stops, when you get the volume break, when you get that move to the upside. These are awesome setups. I love trading these. I have the best consistency in win rate with these setups. Unfortunately, again, it's an 80-20 setup for a reason. 80% odds that it's going to work. 20% odds that it will go against you. You can never be right 100% in the stock market. So what happened? I got stopped out just to watch it come back above my cost basis. Look at that. It put in a slightly lower low. I got stopped out just to watch it shoot back up, but that's okay because what could have happened? It could have came down to $2. I could have lost $2,000 on the trade. It didn't have to push back up. I did the right thing and I cut my loss where I said I was going to cut my loss. But again, I love that setup. I love the trade. We were adding the volume, the flow, and the great news behind this. This one still has a lot of great potential today, guys. All right, I really do like NBRV. So right now, where is our level of support? Well, best support, guys, is going to be back down off of those post-market lows of 197. All right, 197 to $2 is the best level of support. But we can see here that we've established a nice little bounce level right here at 211. So we need to keep 211 on watch, right? 211, all right? If it does not hold 211, we can definitely see it down to 197, $2. We have a lot of room to the upside today on this stock if we see it move on up. We have room first target, 263, pre-market highs. Anything over 263, guys, we have room to $3. Anything over $3, we have room to 335. Right? That's where it gets fun because over 335, we have a lot of room to $4, maybe even $5, guys. So I want you guys keeping NBRV on watch. All right? NBRV, low float, 30 million. Trading 6x relative volume on phase 3 data. Top line results from their phase 3 trial. Good stuff. Great press release. Gapping up from $1.48, currently trading at $2.22. I want you guys keeping this on high watch. This is going to be one of my top watches for the day. If you guys are over on YouTube, definitely click the link. We are offering a 7-day trial to our chat room so you guys can dive in, check it out, and see what all the hype is about. Now, the system sets up taxes for some reason. Everything's calculated based on a month-to-month. So again, Florida taxes, 7%, normal membership. For some reason, that's the way the system sets it up, and I cannot fix it. So again, it is a free trial. The only thing you're paying is taxes of $8.33. Wow. But again, you're getting a 7-day trial. That is a full 5 trading days inside of the best trading chat room. Not only do you get what we do here on the live stream, live trades, live commentary, $240 worth of premium professional scanners, but you get access to everything else we do. Q&A, private mentorship, 120 videos in our video lessons library, daily trade lessons. Guys, there's a lot of great value. And on top of that, you get to collaborate with some of the best traders in the world here inside of the Alpha Day Trading Chat Room. So definitely click the link. Check us out. That trial will be deactivated this weekend. So if you want to take advantage, you better take advantage. No later than Friday. I hope to see you guys inside of chat. So NBRV, #1 stock that I want to be focused on. We also have yesterday's big time mover, ladies and gentlemen. PIRS. PIRS not looking like it was going to do too much, right? And then out of nowhere in today, boom, last hour of the day, ripping and running from $3, hitting those initial post-market highs of $4.42, just to continue squeezing to the upside, hitting $6.05. This one as well, honestly, my #1 stock. Prior day momentum, huge day. Traders want to get something going. So traders are going to resort back to PIRS. PIRS already had a really healthy pullback, hitting 605, pulling back to post-market resistance at 442. We called this in chat this morning. So again, you guys had opportunity to take this from a 442 bounce up until about 480. It's about 10% of profits, guys, with light risk, very tight risk. Right now, we still have a beautiful setup. What just happened? We broke the downtrend. We got back above the VWAP, the 90 EMA, and back above prior support, prior resistance at 480. So where is our new level of support? 480. What else is really nice about 480? It's also the downtrend that we're actually retesting as new support. So right now, guys, 480 is a good level on PIRS if we want to get involved, okay? We are very close to the open, about 15 minutes away. So I want to kind of wait to see if we're going to hold 480 and push, or if we may come back down and retest $4.40. But PIRS on high watch. As long as we hold above 440, we have a lot of room back up to 537, 605. And then let's go ahead and look at that daily chart and see how high PIRS could go if we see another big day here. I mean, guys, that 601 target was a clean target. But if we start breaking over 601, we can definitely see 650. Anything over 650, $7. I mean, guys, This one has a lot of great potential. Who knows? Maybe it gets all the way back up into the $9 range off those previous highs. PIRS. This is all momentum. This is all momentum from yesterday. We had a solid day trading 364 million shares. 364 million shares yesterday. That is substantial volume. PIRS, number one watch, guys. We are going to be watching this like a hawk. Followed by a fresh press release this morning. NBRV, very, very good press release, guys. I want you guys keeping this on high watch as well. Now we do have some other plays moving on up. But again, they're not as clean. They're not as consistent. They're not as appealing than PIRS and NBRV, right? So we do have ITP. ITP is number 5 on the leaderboard. The only thing, it's a large float stock, right? It's almost 100 million in float. So let's say, okay, forget it. It's a large float stock. What do we got going for it? It's currently up 30%, trading 8.6 million shares. And the average daily volume is 6 million shares. So why is this stock moving on up? We have a press release here at 8 o'clock. So IT Tech, ITP, attains an FDA approval for surgical mask products. So they're obtaining a local FDA approval for surgical masks in China province. All right, so ITP, FDA approval. That is the key word. All right, we do know it's a larger float stock. We do know that it's trading slightly above the average daily volume. So I do think we should keep ITP on watch. I've already done your due diligence for you guys. All right, so where do we have support right now on ITP? Right now we have light support right here around 55 cents. If we cannot hold 55 cents, watch for it to pull back down towards around 50. As long as we hold 55, we do have room up towards around 63 cents. All right, then over 63, you're going to have resistance right around 70. So if you guys like these lower priced stocks, right, you take more share size, it's more affordable, whatever the case is. You do have a press release on ITP. It is a larger float stock, but it has good volume, and it is currently up 30% in pre-market off FDA approval. You have room to 63, and then you have room up towards around $70 here on ITP. But let's go ahead and backtrack. Let's rewind and talk about some massive movers yesterday, guys. I know we got a couple traders in chat absolutely crushing it on AMC. What did we say yesterday morning with AMC? We have a beautiful daily cup and handle. Look at this. Big U-shape followed by a higher low U-shape. Boom. Breakout on increased volume over $15. That was our signal to get long on AMC. Why did I not take the AMC trade? Guys, I was already hitting my max loss of the day. I went ahead and took a step back and I shut down. So we had the close over 15. That was a signal to go ahead and get long for the cup and handle, right? What happened from $15 all the way to 18? I know some of you guys in chat are absolutely crushing it, but we do still have great potential today on AMC. Right now, I want to see this hold above 1721, right off this massive resistance level. Post-market resistance, a little bit of pre-market resistance, and we broke above this level and have been trading higher ever since. So right now, AMC support, 1721. If we lose 1721, we will most likely see it back down first into that post-market high and also some of that pre-market support. So right around 1676, post-market high, a lot of support. Anything below that level, guys, we will see it back down towards 16 and then so on and so forth. So ideally, we would really like to see AMC hold above that 1721. How high can it go? Looking at the daily chart, guys, it has room all the way up towards around $19.81 to $20. So AMC showing a lot of great potential today as well. One thing that I would like to see, again, this is speculative. I'm just sitting here thinking, what if this happens? When would I want to get involved? Well, we've been talking a little bit about panic drops and panic pops. This stock is currently up $1.60 in pre-market. What do you think people are going to do when the market opens? Right? People that are swing trading this, what do you think they're going to want to do? They're going to probably want to lock in some profits. So if we get some traders locking in some profits and we see this getting slammed aggressively back down to 721, I will be looking to take this for a quick panic drop bounce right out of the gate. But if we get a panic pop, let's see this, let's say hypothetically it squeezes $2. Obviously it would probably get halted, but if we had a panic pop, right, up to 20 for some crazy reason, I would look to short that for the drop back down. So that is the only thing that I'm looking at here on AMC right out of the gate is a panic pop for the possible short or the panic drop for the possible bounce in the squeeze back higher here on AMC. Other than that, we need to sit back and wait for an A+ setup. If you guys are rocking small accounts, these are not strategies for a smaller account where you're restricted to your trades. This is something that I recommend. A larger account, something that actually has no PDT rule, because again, if you're wrong, you want to get out quick, and it's a very high risk, high reward type of setup, but these setups, when you're right, are extremely profitable. So with that being said, if you're rocking a smaller account, that is not a style of trading for you, not just yet, right? So we're going to sit back and wait for those A+ setups, and we want to see it bottom somewhere, form some great support, and we're looking to ride this momentum up towards around $20 if we get a good setup here on AMC. What do we know about AMC, guys? When AMC moves, what happens? GameStop moves. When GameStop moves, what else happens? KOSS moves. So yesterday, because we have AMC looking really nice, what do we have on GameStop? GameStop having a really nice day from around a low of 180, currently up to 233. So same thing, guys. As long as AMC grinds to the upside, we can continue to see GameStop grind to the upside. As long as we see GameStop grind to the upside, we can see KOSS grind to the upside. All right, so KOSS, 21.21 support. All right, 21.21 support with $23 resistance on KOSS. This is purely sympathy off AMC. Then we have GameStop as well. GameStop right now, best support is going to be back down at the 225 level. If we lose 225, the next best level of support right around 217. Now on GameStop, guys, how high could we actually go here? Well, our next target is going to be right around 250 here on GameStop, right? So again, I want to keep GameStop on watch as it's moving out of sympathy to AMC. But AMC, guys, is going to be one of our top watches, okay? NBRV is going to be one of our top watches, and so is PIRS. PIRS is probably going to be number one, guys. Right out of the gate, watching PIRS, followed by AMC, number two, and then we're looking at NBRV, number three, followed by our three back burner plays. Back burner play number one, ITP. Back burner play number two, KOSS. Back burner play number three, GameStop. And then I have a very back burner play. I mean, way to the back, all right? I still want to keep ANVS on watch this week, okay? I still want to keep ANVS on watch. Why do I want to keep this on watch, guys? Well, number one, we had a massive day on Friday. We all know that. Massive day on Friday. Number two, we've had 2 days of this stock pulling back to the 78.6 point fib. All right, on decreased volume. We're coming into the end of the week. What do we know about big time movers that get shorted? Shorts still may be in this play. Swing shorts still may be in ANVS. What do we know about Fridays? Fridays, traders close their short positions before the weekend, right? They do not want to be in it. So sometimes we see an aggressive short squeeze on some of these stocks on Fridays. It's the end of the week, right? Traders want to close that short out. They don't want to hold it over the weekend because that's a long time to hold that stock. If anything comes out, they're screwed. So again, I do want to keep ANVS on watch above $48. Again, that's the 78.6 fib. We start to see nice solid support form at 78, at the 78.6 fib, right around $48, right? We start to see some action back up over 50. I definitely think we could see another leg up here into this week on ANVS. So again, back burner play right now, nothing worth watching out of the gate. But anything over 50, guys, I do want you guys keeping this one on watch because we do have a lot of room to the upside. This stock had an offering on Friday, which caused it to go from $90 all the way down towards around 60. Imagine how many shorts are in this play from 90, 80, 70, 60. We start squeezing back up and moving back up, these shorts will be underwater. They're going to be feeling the pressure, and they're going to close that position. And when a short closes their position, when a short covers, what does that do? It creates a buy order, right? So whenever a short covers, it's a buy order. So boom, that helps prop the price up. So you have a lot of shorts covering. You have a lot of longs, say going long. That's what we get a nice short squeeze, a nice big pop. So again, not right now. I do want you guys to keep an ANVS on high watch into this week just to see if we get that kind of move. All right, guys, so that's what I have for you. I think there's a lot of stocks moving. I think there's a lot of other things we can talk about. But I think we've eliminated a lot of that noise and we have focused on the best stocks with the best potential. Again, PIRS, AMC, and NBRV, ladies and gentlemen. Questions, comments, concerns, please let me know. Let's have an awesome day. Let's get fired up. Right now, I'm down a little over 600 bucks on the day. One trade here on NBRV. But hey, it's okay, baby, because we got a long day ahead. Nothing but great things in the market today, guys. Everything's looking great. Everything's looking clean and healthy. Let's have some fun. Let's make some big-time profits. And, guys, if you need anything, let me know. All right? You need anything, just let me know. So right now, did I miss anything here in chat with you guys? Oh, my gosh. I missed a lot. Shit. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Chris. Time with family, baby. Love it. Who doesn't like a good hump day? I like humping around. I like hump days. Let me go ahead and get those scanners up for you guys. All right, you guys are all set, ready to rock and roll. Let's go ahead and get these pre-market scanners down, and we're ready, guys. If you guys are over on YouTube, go ahead and sign up. It's free. You're going to pay a whopping $8.33 to try the best trading chat room in the world, to see what all the hype's about, guys. There's a reason we are the best. There's a reason why there's a lot of hype inside the Alpha Day Trading Chat Room, guys. So why not take me up on my offer, sign up, check it out, and if you like it, guys, you're going to be making some money. I can't tell you how many traders here so far in chat over the last 3 weeks have already made their membership back plus some. And when I say they've made their membership back plus some, they're signing up for the yearly membership. So they're making well over $1,000 so far in just the last couple weeks as newer traders. All right, so there is a reason to be here. Our goal is to help you make consistent profits to where you can make your subscription back and still have money to grow your account. So if you can come in and you can make $300, you're going to pay your membership. You're going to have an extra $150. But here's the beautiful thing, guys. Even if you come in for the next 6 months and all you make is $200 a month, you're going to be like, well, damn, I didn't make anything because I had to pay that membership. But what are you walking away with at the end of the day? A solid education. So at the end of the day, 6 months later, let's say you didn't make anything, you didn't lose anything because your profits paid for the membership. Guess what you're walking away with? A free education, free knowledge, free value, if you really look at it that way. So why not? Why not come in? Why not take your trading to the next level? Why not be successful, guys? Right? We're the best for a reason, so check us out. Right now, guys, we have about 22 seconds to go. Let's have some fun. Let's make a good day. Let's have a good day. So if I missed any of your questions, I'm going to review them real quick. Jeff, when drawing the trend line, can you mix touching bars and wicks if the wicks? Okay, so no. You want to keep them separate. So if you're drawing off wicks, draw off wicks. If you're drawing off candle bodies, draw off candle bodies, right? But do not mix wicks and candle bodies together. Right? So candle bodies, run them off bodies. Wicks, run them off the wicks. But do not go 50-50 with them. All right, Jeff? Good morning, Lydia. If you guys missed it, my daughter was in here this morning. She said hi to everybody. Can I explain the Fibonacci retracement? Absolutely. Here around 11 o'clock, I will definitely explain a Fibonacci retracement, as well as explaining the difference between dips and reversals. I know that's a big confusion when I talk about looking to buy the dip and we're looking for a reversal. So today we're going to be explaining the difference between dips and reversals, as well as how to draw Fibonacci's. Corey, 7 days worth it. And I best believe I'll see probably 80% of you guys signing up and staying with the team, guys. You don't want to miss out. Let's go ahead and go to a 1 minute. So, did I call it or what? Did I call AMC or what? Traders, up. Lock in profit. Panic drop. Where did the panic drop go to? Right down into our 720 level. I'm too busy over here answering questions. Guys, this was my trade. This is what we classify as a panic drop. Right out of the gate, swing traders take profit right down into a level of support, and we see buyers move on in. Guys, that would have been a solid 50-cent per share trade. My goodness. I can't chase it now, though, guys. But that's what I wanted. And here's one thing to notice. Sometimes I can't take everything I talk about because I have a lot going on. I'm triple tasking. Talking to you guys on YouTube. Talking to you guys in chat. But guys, when I say something, you best believe it's good. When I put my name behind something, you best believe it's good. All right, AMC, write that down. That's what you call a panic drop. Again, stock grinding higher in pre-market and post-market. Swing traders taking profit out of the gate, but longs waiting for the panic drop right back down into a level of support. And guess what, guys? To the freaking penny. I mean, look at that. 1726. 1726. Where'd it come down to? 1726. Guys, easy money to be made. If you guys took that, phenomenal. PIRS. Right now, I want to see it back above that downtrend. Right now, we're not looking at PIRS. Again, KOSS and GameStop, all sympathy to AMC. ITP down to the 55, grinding on up. So right now, I want to keep NBRV on watch over that 197. I still do think this one has some decent potential today, guys. But right now, our focus needs to be here on AMC right now. AMC, light support back down at 1726 with our pre-market high resistance of 1818. So right now, PIRS, again, what are we seeing across the board? It's simple, guys. We're seeing swing traders taking profits. I mean, let's be honest. Why are we seeing these stocks gapping up and dumping? Swing traders are taking profits, guys. Think about it. If you were in AMC, what would you do? You would probably go ahead and take some profits. So that's exactly why we saw it move on down. Lydia wants a good morning. All right, Lydia. Good morning, Lydia. What is going on? Happy Wednesday. Make sure your dad makes some money today, okay? Keep him sane. Keep him smart. Make sure he's making some good trades and some good money, all right? All right, guys. So, AMC right now, we're breaking above that 1815. Right now, where's support? 1815. All right, that's where we want to see this hold above here on AMC. I'm watching PIRS as well. Again, we have that support at 442 on PIRS. Right now, it's getting hit pretty hard. So we're just staying away from PIRS right now. All right. The only ones that we're really watching is going to be NBRV down around off the 197 to $2. And then we're just watching AMC. That's it. We're just watching AMC. Again, we're only 5 minutes into the day. That's it. We're 5 minutes in. Sit back and be patient, guys. Sit back and be patient, baby. Let's see how this candle closes out here on AMC. I mean, I do like NBRV, guys. I'm going to have to give it one more shot. I'm going to have to give NBRV one more shot. I really do like NBRV. I think it has a lot of great potential. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a typical scale, right? So I'm just going to get in and then slowly get out. So I'm going to go ahead and just take a position here on NBRV. It is a higher risk, higher reward play. And I'm getting in right here with no setup. But we have good news. We have support at 197. I do think we could see this move up higher back into the 260s today. If I'm wrong, I'm okay with the risk. You have to say, are you okay with your risk? Yes, I am. 5,000 shares. At what price? 208. If I get stopped out, I'll risk another $500, guys. It's okay. right? That's in line with my plan, and I do think NBRV has decent potential. So right now, stops are going in the system. NBRV, 5,000 shares. And we're just going to let this ride today. If we have another PIR kind of day, let's go. But NBRV, the only reason why I took this is because we have good news. We have good news, we have good volume, and we already pulled back pretty damn low. All right, guys, so right now, let's go ahead and get those hard stops in the system. If it's a loss, it's a loss. NBRV, 5,000 shares stop. We're in. Let's see if we can make some money, guys. Let's see if we get this nice big red to green move. Right now, I'm going to hold this. I'm going to hold this up to 260. I think we have a lot of great potential all the way to 260, guys. All right, right now I'm up about 270. But again, I think we have more upside potential. One thing we have to be good at is cutting our losses quick, but holding on to winners longer. Right? That's the one thing that we have to get good at, is holding on to our winners. Right now, do we have any signal to get out? No. Look at that great increasing volume. Right? Trying to get a quick little red to green move. We are trying to squeeze above the open. If we can hold the open, we have some great potential. Right? Right now, 214. Let's see if we can hold above. We got about 10 seconds left. Let's see if we close over 220. If so, we could see the next candle really get some nice hype. Look at that great volume, guys. 2 million shares in the last minute. This one looks really nice. I'm in at 205. Good job, Jeff. Right now, stops can go break even, guys. Isn't that safe to say? Stops can actually be brought up right underneath that low. So we can put stops right around 201. This shouldn't come back down. And if it does, why have stops at 190 when we can bring stops up closer to break even? So Jeff, bring stops to break even, man. Being a risk-free trader, at least put stops right underneath those lows. If that's what your plan is and that's what you want to do. My stop right now on NBRV was underneath that 197. So I'm in the 190s on my stop. But right now that we have this big push, we don't want to see it come back down. If it comes back down, it has high odds of cracking and stopping us out. So why take an extra 10 cents when I can reduce my stop by about $500? And that's what I'm going to do. So right now I'm risking $500, not 1,000. How to get rich with day trading. Step 1, join Alpha Day Trading. Step 2, watch Josh. I love it, dude. I love it. That's funny. Good shit. So right now, ideally, we want to see a nice, healthy 2-candle pullback on decreased volume. Hold the open. Hold 214, and we could see our next leg up to 225. And I think 225 is a good place to lock in profits, guys. That's a 10% increase. Then go ahead and bring stops to break even and leave a runner on the table. Okay? So let's see if we can get a runner today, right? Usually I'm quick with taking profits. Because when I'm in the green, I like taking profits quick because sometimes, 80% of the time, it goes against me and I go from a winning trade to a losing trade. So this is the one trade that I'm like, you know what? I'm going to actually hold this one. See if we get that leg up. But now I'm actually looking back saying, damn, I wish I went ahead and took my $500 of profits. Damn, I wish I would have just cut it like I normally do. But again, there was no signal to get out. Now there is a little bit of weakness, right? Not looking all that great. We're back down below our open. So that to me does not look very beneficial, guys. That to me does not look good at all. Let's see if we hold the higher lows. As long as we hold higher lows, technically we're okay. If we actually come back down below 202, it's going to get a little iffy, ladies and gentlemen. So just be smart, just be safe. Right now, that just concerns me. I'm going to be honest with you. That does not look all that great on NBRV, does it? NBRV looking strong, and then it just cracking on back down below. So honestly, guys, if we start seeing any more weakness, I will be looking to walk away and possibly get back in just because I have a big position. Just because I have 5,000 shares. If you have 500 shares and you can let it breathe, do your thing, baby. Manage your trade. Honor your plan. But again, right now, I have a big position. Right now, I'm not really liking what we're seeing. We need to get back over that 214. If we come down below this low here, say like 205, I'm going to just walk away and look for a better entry. That's my plan. Right now, I'm going to throw stops. Now, I'm just going to manage this trade. I'm just going to manage it live with you guys. Right now, we don't have a lot on PIRS. The only thing I want you guys watching on PIRS is a possible red to green move. Right? Look at PIRS for a possible red to green move off 440. Okay? You guys are like, all right, I can't get in on NBRV. Where should I be looking? Keep PIRS on high watch. High watch over $4.40. Right now, let's see if NBRV can push back up and put in a higher high off the higher low. Right now, if we come down below 206 to 205, I'm walking away and I'm going to look for a better entry here. I'm not going to risk this coming down to 197 or even 190. Right now, we want to see it pop back up over that level of resistance and actually break on out. It has a lot of great potential. It has a lot of great potential. It has great news. But the market's the market. It's going to do what it wants to do. So right now, I'm looking at 205 on my stop. Right now, it may want to double bottom off 206. Right now, we're still having these slightly higher lows, but realistically, if we really look at it, it doesn't look all that great, does it? It looked great here, looking sweet. Now it doesn't look all that great. But it's okay. Let's see. We'll get to give it a little bit of time. Right now, I want to see if we have any opportunity to get back over that 214 to 215. Right now, we're trying to hold this quick little double bottom off 206. So let's see if we get buyers to move on in. We got a lot of selling at 211. Got about 100,000 shares looking to be sold at 211. Let's see if we can take that 100,000 shares out. That is going to be a key level of resistance here, guys. 211. Big selling. Let's see if we can push on through. We got 10 seconds left to crush that 100K order at 211 here. Right now, it's holding strong. We are not taking that 211 order out. We have two 30,000 share orders right there at 211. And we can see that traders are really struggling getting that on through. All right, it's getting taken out. It is getting taken out. There we go. That's what we want to see. Now we want to get back over 220. If we can actually break up and put in a new intraday high over 220, we definitely have some better potential for the nice move on up, guys. So right now, we're still looking okay. We're still looking okay. We got through 100,000 shares. Now we're getting through another 100,000 shares. Now we're getting through another 10,000 shares. Look at that. Look at that. Back in the green. Here we go. Good stuff. We've got to break and hold VWAP here. If not, I'm out. I'm taking profit. If we cannot break and hold VWAP here, guys, and we're back below 215, I'm locking in my small profit. Because we need to squeeze over this level. Come on, baby. Come on. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. We're looking good now, guys. We're looking great. Let's go, NBRV. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. Get hyped up, team. Woo! That's what we want. So right now, guys, I'm locking in some profit up towards around 232. I'm locking in some profits up towards around 232. Let's go ahead and lock in about 1,200 shares here. Let's be smart. Let's go ahead and lock in some profits. That's what I'm talking about. Risk management. Proper setups. You go from down $600 to up $200 just like that, and we're still in the green. We still have 3,700 shares on the table. Woo! Let's make some money, team. You guys like that? That's what I'm talking about. I don't care if anything else is running, because we got our trade right here on NBRV. Number one stock that I liked out of the gate right now, looking good. We want to hold above. Ideally, still looking at 215 at the lowest, but now, guys, 220, let's be real. 220 prior high. We do not want to see it back below. We definitely don't want to see it back below VWAP. So now we can actually bring our stops to break even. But why do that? I'm up $700. Why not start locking in some more profits? I like profits. I'm locking in a little bit more right here, guys. I'm locking in a little bit more right there. I'm going to keep locking some in. I'm still holding about 2,500 shares, guys. Yeah, Jeff, you were in at 205. Even if you went break even on it, hey, you still would have been in the green, but we could have brought it right underneath that low around 201 to 202. Definitely not 190 at that point in time. Definitely a 201 to 202. So right now, guys, we're bringing, see, we don't want to see that kind of price action. That is not what we want to see. So anything under 215, I'm out. I don't like the price action. That is not what we want to see. We got a lot of aggressive selling. So what did we do? We took a great green trade. First trade down 6. Second trade, break even. We had a lot more room to the upside, but I'm not liking that price action, just how it's very aggressive to the downside, right? It wasn't slow and steady. It was very jumpy, very aggressive down. So, gonna go ahead and lock it up. All right, go ahead and lock it up. $37 on the day. It's okay. Fresh slate, 2 trades on the day, 50% win rate. We're good. We're going to find another great opportunity. Who's in chat? Give me a good morning real quick. I think I missed a lot of it, guys. I want you blowing up chat. Everybody in chat right now, type something in the chat box. Type something in chat. Give me a big old good morning. Just a GM, baby. GM. Let's see how many members we got up in here today. There we go. Blow it up, baby. Blow it up. Woo! And I tell you what, I got to figure out what's up with these profile pictures because that's ugly. That is ugly. I'm going to get that fixed right now, actually. There we go. Mr. Chris in the house. All right, guys. So we still are uptrending on NBRV. All right, we're still uptrending on NBRV. So technically, we're still okay. But that price action did concern me a little bit. So right now, just got to sit back and relax. That's it. What's up with ITP? Anything with ITP? Well, right now, it's coming back down into that level of support. Light support, right around 53, right off that prior high. What else can we do here on ITP? We can throw a downtrend on the play, couldn't we, guys? We can throw a nice little downtrend right here. So let's keep this on watch. If it holds above 53 and breaks the downtrend, we definitely have room back up to 60 cents. We definitely have some room back up to 60 cents here on ITP. I know you guys did. I'm not sure what's happening. We'll get it fixed up, though. I want to make sure those profile pictures are taking effect. So here's one thing that I need to ask you guys. Chris and Beth did it. No issues. You have to use the same email, same username, same password that was used when you guys created your account here on Alpha Day Trading. So if it's any different, it will not take effect. So just make sure that it was the same username, same email, and if it was, I will definitely get the developer on that to see what is going on. So right now, guys, we have PIRS back below 440. Our lowest level, guys, that we were talking about is going to be right here around $4. So let's see if PIRS can hold above that $4 mark. Right now, nothing really crazy. KOSS giving a lot back. GameStop, nothing much. NBRV still grinding on a nice little uptrend, but we were a little shaky there for a moment. A little shaky, so I went ahead and cut it and walked away. Right now, we're still only about 20 minutes into the market. We have WALD was halted. I just want to check out WALD, make sure we're not missing anything here. WALD. No, we're not missing anything there, are we? TKAT is number 3 on the leaderboard. So TKAT just pushed right up to our 13 SMA. So that's going to be a level that we have to get above. It's trading okay volume. Okay, nothing crazy. I still think we have the best watch list. I think we definitely have the best stocks on watch. NBRV, definitely one that I want to be keeping on watch. And then AMC, if we can actually settle and level, we might be have something coming on up. And then again, ANVS is still on watch as well over the next couple of days. And if you guys missed it, this is why it also pays to be in chat. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Coal, crypto coal. Maddox going to hit $2.15 in the next 24 hours. That's a 23% increase. Coal, update. 12 minutes later, it's going to hit 245. That's a 40% increase on crypto. MATIC. Guys, if you have a chance, go look at MATIC. He absolutely crushes it with his crypto analysis. You guys could have made an easy 30%. Look at that. He alerted this when it was at 174. Where did it go? You got to be freaking kidding me, Cole. You got to be kidding me, Cole. Cole, you said it was going to hit 245. Bro, it hit 244. I give it to you. It hit 244. You were spot on, my man. Good shit. So again, if you guys want to learn how to trade crypto, you want good analysis and alerts on crypto, we got you. Options, we got you. Equities, penny stocks. Guess what? We got you. So again, if you guys aren't in chat, you're missing out. There's profits everywhere. And we got the right individuals in the right places to make sure you take advantage and you capitalize on every opportunity out there, guys. So good shit. Keep up the amazing work. Crypto Cole, baby. Crypto Cole. I think it sounds really good. I'm just Josh. I don't have a cool name. Josh. You got Crypto Cole over here. I'm jealous. Who's up for a giveaway today? Who wants to do a giveaway? Hey, Josh the Destroyer. I don't know, man. I destroy her. I think about a giveaway, guys. How about you on YouTube? How about you guys on Girls in YouTube? Who wants to do a giveaway? If I get enough engagement, I'm thinking about giving something away, guys. I want to hook you guys up. It's been a while since we've done a giveaway. I think today is the day for a giveaway. Jeff, a year membership. Dude, maybe. You might do one. You never know. So right now, we're just looking. We do not see anything really at this time. What I want to go ahead and do is just scan through some of our penny stock gainers and losers. TKAT. TKAT. Grinding to the upside. Getting above daily support and resistance right around that $20 mark. So right now, TKAT. Showing some strength to the upside. Where can TKAT go? Well, first target, 2274. After 2274, up towards around $25 on TKAT. Right now, $20 main support. We want to keep TKAT on watch. We also want to just kind of keep ITP on a back burner as well, just in case it ever breaks above the downtrend. NBRV, Not a fan after that really nasty red candle. I do not like it right now. Sitting back on my hands. KOSS, there's not a lot going here on KOSS. I think if we're going to trade anything out of sympathy, we need to be looking at like GameStop and really just focused on AMC. And right now we have both of these plays starting to get some hype. What do we have on GameStop, guys? Look at this downtrend. All right, just keep this big downtrend on watch. You can even connect it right off your Wicks, right like that. And we can see like, okay, maybe it's just broken above the downtrend. Let's see if we can ever get back above VWAP as well. And if so, maybe we have some opportunity here over on GameStop. So we got one person on YouTube wanting to do a giveaway. Man. How's the S&P doing today? S&P starting to kind of curl back over. I honestly think, guys, we still have more downside on the SPY. That's just me. I think we still have more downside. That was a weak move back up off the 50. It was a weak move in my opinion. I think we're going to see it curl back on over. So right now, we need to keep, the SPY and everything on watch because guess what? What do we not want to do? We do not want to be long on Boeing and see the SPY start to fade. We don't want to be long on Tesla and start to see the SPY curl on over, do we? No, because when the SPY and everything starts turning south and selling off, your longs are not going to work on some of these bigger plays. So anytime you're uncertain with the bigger, broader market, like, hey, I think the SPY is going to come down, well, rethink your long positions on your other plays. All right, so right now, even if I saw a great long setup on Boeing, I would not take it right now because I see weakness on the SPY. So I would not be going long on anything. I would be sitting on the sidelines and mainly looking for puts on SPY if I was really convicted that it would go on down. So just be mindful of that, guys. AMC. AMC, guys, nice little break. Where do we want to see AMC back down to for support to get the next leg up, right? Let's get a pullback back down towards around 815, maybe even 830. Let's keep this on watch. That's what I use. I use TD Ameritrade for my charting. One of the best platforms out there for charting. PIRS. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's just go ahead and take our support level down towards around yesterday's close and high. If we ever come down to 379, 380, yesterday's highs and yesterday's close, I'm looking for a bounce play off that level on PIRS. GameStop is now above the VWAP. Right now, let's make sure we hold above VWAP in the 9 EMA, and if so, I think we have a good trade here on a GameStop coming on up. So right now, I'm going to get an order ready here on GameStop. I do think we may have a nice little pop opportunity. Right now, you got 232 support. I'm going to wait to see how this candle closes out right here. As long as AMC's grinding higher, GameStop's grinding higher. So right now, I'm watching GameStop. I think GameStop has some good potential. Honestly, I want to see AMC pull back a little bit. AMC back down towards around like the 1820s. Would be a great opportunity for a possible dip. All right, so here's what we're going to do. 12 o'clock, guys. 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to do a giveaway here in chat. We're going to do a giveaway for one lucky member. So on YouTube, we are getting ready to shut our free stream down. But here's the thing. You guys can go ahead and sign up for a free 7-day pass to alphadaytrading.com. And if you do so today at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, we will be doing a giveaway. And I will be picking one lucky individual for a free 1-month pass. So not only are you going to come in, you're going to get 7 days for free. But if you're also the winner in our giveaway, I'm also going to give you a free month to the Alpha Day Trading chat room. So guys, click the link, sign up, join us in chat for the giveaway. In worst case, you're still in chat. Utilize all of the amazing benefits that we offer. 120 lessons in our video lessons library, daily trading lessons, private mentorship sessions, live Q&A sessions, live stream, live commentary. Guys, you name it, you're going to get everything you need to become a consistent and profitable stock trader. So join us inside of chat. Ladies and gentlemen on YouTube, again, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, we will be giving away a free month. And who knows, maybe I'm feeling grateful and I give away something else as well, guys. So let's have some fun and let's do it. Well, Jeff, I might just have to go ahead and do the giveaway at 11 o'clock because I want to make sure everybody's going to be involved. Everybody has an equal opportunity to win. All right, so with that being said, guys, join us in Alpha Day Trading. Giveaway between 11 and 12. Let's have some fun. Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen on YouTube, have an awesome day. Happy and safe trading, and I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. You guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, hit me up, josh@alphadaytrading.com. I'm always here to help you guys. Once again, enjoy the rest of your day. Happy and safe trading.